Sarah. Welcome back to Unlock 2 activity. No, now it's Unlock 3 activity. Like last time, it was lockdown activity. Now lockdown is finished. Then Unlock 2 activity I told. Now Unlock 2, it is finished. Now I'm saying Unlock 3. When it is finished, Unlock 4 and it will come more numbers. I don't know what is going to happen. So I'm going to say again. Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. Welcome back to Unlock 3 activity. I was almost going to say Unlock 2 activity because all the time I say Unlock 2 activity or something. Never mind. Today we're going to make a dinosaur. So let's get started making a dinosaur. Oh, we are going to make it with Lego blocks. So now we'll get started. So I have separated the blocks that we don't get confused. I hope your all green blocks are ready. In here you could see some it is white because we needed to make that teeth. And you could see the circle type of the blocks. These are for the eyes of the dinosaur. I'm using eyes, and if you don't have eyes, it's okay. You could not put eyes or it will be so spooky. If you want to don't put eyes, it will be spooky. I will do just eyes. See? Nice. I'm going to just put here it and show you. Just like this. So first we will need to take this kind of blocks. And take this kind of blocks. It should be like this. You flip it over and put this at the corner. You do same using the other one. You need two of them and put these side of the body. These are the legs of the dinosaur. Now you take 2 by 2 blocks and put them at the side. Now you take 4 by 4 blocks and put at the middle. Now you take this kind of block, this curve shape, 2 by 2 curve shape block and connect it. We know we could use this. Put it like this. But we need this type of block for the head of the dinosaur. Now you take this block and put it right here. And this one too, you need a block like this. It should be whole over here and the other side it should be flat. Where is the hole? You needed to put it aside like this. You need to both like this and do same. Over here like this and over here like this. You know why is there holes? Because we are going to make the hands. For the hand you put it like this. Where is this the hole? And you could also move. Hi. It can talk, but I'm still doing it really spooky. Now you're going to do for the tail. For the tail you need 2 by 2. Put it right over here. going to take out this type of block. You put this over here. Take this out 2 by 2. You put this whole one over here where it is the hole. Because we need this one for the 2 by 2 block. Now put that and cut the 2 by 2 block and put it over here. Now you could see a gap and that's good. Now you take a 2 tail shape of blocks that I used in the bunk pad. I have many of those. It's kind of like a tail and you need 2 of them. See, 1, 2. And so as this one, 1 and 2. Now you take this block that we used for the hand. We need both of them. Put it over here and again 2, but this time put it over here. Over here. Now I'm going to take the dark green side. Take these type of blocks. It's so small and put it like this. I'm going to show like this in the boat. First over here, and over here. Okay, now the body is ready. Oh, but the tail, it's missing a part. You need again this by. First, I'm going to show you why we need this. See, if you play, okay, sometime it will get off and this will break. It will not break, okay? But you need to still put this. That it could be nicely finished of the tail. And this is for the head. Now we are going to make the head. Let's put this aside. For the head, you need this 6 by 2 block. And take 3 by 6 block. It was 3 by 2 block. And put it over here. Now you go to the teeth. Leave the circles because they are for the eyes and this part is for the teeth. And you put it. If you put it like this will become 6 by 2 white block. And we need to put it like this anyways. Okay, now you put it. Now you take these blocks that you used for the hands of the dinosaur. And you put it over here. Okay. Show you. I want to show you. Wait, first. I've already put it. Now you need to put it like this. You need to leave one gap for these dark green parts, like you used for making the hands. I'm going to take out this first. This type of block. Let's stick it again. There you go. Put this inside. We do same. You need this block for the hands. Hands, no eyes. We already did the hands. I'm so funny. See the eyes. It fits perfectly. If it's done, I'm going to take out the eyes and show you how spooky it looks. Now you take this last block, very last block, and stick it over here. Now your head is complete. It kind of looks so funny. But now, and the last part for the head. You need to take these parts and put it like this, like you did for here. Oops. I'm going to just take off the head and put it there. And it kind of looks funny. Its neck is down. We need to make its neck. It's not complete. So you take off the hands. Take this last and final piece. Put it over here. Oops. It's always getting out. And there's the neck. Now put the hands. I think still looks kind of funny. But it's okay. Let it look funny. Now you put the hand. I'm going to put. And our dinosaur is complete. I know it kind of looks crazy. Next it's down. Because I never saw the dinosaur movie from the long time. Since I was little. Anyways, I hope you like, subscribe and share this video, and bye. Leave it because anyways it eat you. Anyways, bye.